Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Just pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are.
A squared plus b squared is equivalent to. So for this question, I would love for you to know what a squared plus b squared is in general, right? Because this is something that you can actually know the answer without working it out. However, for this present video, we're going to go through the solution using a trial and error method, and then I would love for you to actually maybe swap this information to know that if you have a squared plus b squared, it's going to be equivalent to this. Or if you have x squared plus y squared, or it doesn't matter what they change the number to. If it's a variable square plus another variable square, it's always going to be equivalent to this particular thing, right? So let's go through the solution. All right. Let's start off with the first one, a plus b all squared. So a plus b all squared is the same thing as writing a plus b times a plus b. Good. Now we distribute or we expand. So it's a times a, which is going to give us a squared, b times a, which gives us ab, a times b, which gives us ab, and then b times b, which gives us b squared. That step isn't here. However, when simplified, we'd get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So what you can do is to go ahead and distribute a times a, which is a squared, a times b, which is ab, b times a, which is ab, and then b times b, which is b squared. And when you simplify, which is just to add the two terms in the middle, you would have gotten a squared plus ab plus b squared. Good. Now let's look at b, right? And looking at our solution here, before we go to b, we notice that it's definitely not equivalent to a squared plus b squared, right? So let's look at b. Looking at b, we have a minus b all squared. So it's just the sign that is different. That means the only thing that's actually going to change for that result is the sign for the 2ab. And that's going to be minus. Looking at this solution, it's definitely not equivalent to a squared plus b either. So no. Let's look at a minus b squared plus 2ab. So only thing that they have added to this question is the 2ab aspect. So the first part is going to be the same thing as the part here. This first part is going to be the same thing as right here. So I know that a minus b squared plus 2ab, we start off with this first part, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And then they added a plus ab plus 2ab at the end, and we just do the same thing here. Now looking at this, I notice that I have a minus 2ab here and a plus 2ab here. I can cancel those, right? And I'm left with a squared plus b squared, which is definitely what we have here. So we know that our answer is C.
And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.